What's good? It's your boy 2K here. Shout out to the movement and everybody who's moving with us. Well, y'all already know what time it is. Cat's been asking me, yo, when's the promo? When you gonna do the promo? It's here. And the shit was fast because dude was my mans for one day. But as I promised, if he lost to J-Rock, I was gonna get on that ass. No homo. Y'all already know how I do, man. We're going to keep this shit short and sweet because we want to get right to the fuckery. Nathaniel Gallimore, man, he talked a whole lot of shit before this fight, and his antics were on cloud 9. You know, before those guys even met up at the final press conference, Gallimore had been trolling J-Rock for weeks on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Changed his name to J Pebbles, right? Created a video where he was doing chin push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Even local Philadelphia rapper Gilly the Kid chimed in on the beef, right? Then he goes to the final press conference, says all this different shit about J-Rock. You know, better do your chin push-ups. You weak. You ain't no rock. You a pebble. You know, Charlo chin checked you. When I touch you, it's going to be over. Dude even brought a box of Fruity Pebbles to the weigh-in. You know what I'm saying? All that shit only to lose the fight. Real talk. Man, I ain't even gonna go any further. We done here. Let's get to the promo. Shep, tell them what's about to happen, dog.
I bought some books. I bought some crazy hard, scar your motherfucking ass books. What, is there a problem, Kyle?
Yo, J Pebbles, I'm on your ass.
Huh?
Hey, I don't know why you took this fight, but hey, it's time to show you April 7th. I'm gonna put you on your ass, on your face, make you do tap dance, or the referee stop the fight. There's nothing to it.
Huh?
You ain't gonna escape me for 12 rounds. 12 round running where? Where the hell you going? Huh? You ain't gonna go nowhere, boy. Test you. 12 rounds? You think I'm gonna fade in 12 rounds? You looking at me? Smile. Because you sorry that I'm wipe that smile off your face.
Huh?
You worrying about Charlo hitting hard? Wait till I touch his chin. I told him, I gave him a blueprint about them chin push-ups. And later on tonight, when you go to your hotel, bring your guys, and they're gonna help you. And get on the floor and start doing your chin push-ups, because you're gonna need that. When I touch you, it's over.
Good chin exercises, chin push-ups. Let's go, champ. J Pebbles.
Huh?
You never faced no one like me before.
Fuck you! Fuck you! And fuck you! Who's next?